Select cell G4. You will create a formula to calculate the projected 2021 salary less healthcare for each employee. Type =, in cell G4 to start the formula. Your formula will use a variety of arithmetic operations to complete the calculation. As with all formulas, you will begin by typing =, in the cell. Click cell C4. The value in cell C4 represents the employee's current salary. Type + in cell G4. To this, you want to add the amount of the employee's raise in dollars. Click cell C4, which you will calculate by multiplying the employee's current salary in cell C4. Type an asterisk in cell G4 by the raise percentage in cell E4. Click cell E4. Type - in cell G4. Next, you will subtract the annual healthcare deduction shown in cell F4 from the projected new salary result. Click cell F4. On the formula bar, click the Enter button. Excel performs the calculations as specified.